Morning students. In our previous class we discussed particles of matter are continuously moving and also explained activity 1.3. Now I will explain activity 1.4, which also states that particles of matter are continuously moving. So activity 1.4, what was given in activity 1.4? Take two beakers filled with water. You have to take two beakers that is filled with water. Two beakers filled with water. Now put a drop of blue or red ink slowly and carefully along the sides of first beaker and honey in the same way in the second beaker. First beaker में you have to add blue or red ink. कोई भी blue और red ink आपको इसमें mix करनी है first beaker में and along the side of beaker के side से and ink. In other beaker you have to add honey. Now leave them undisturbed in your house and in a corner of your class. If you are doing this activity in your class, then leave it undisturbed. What do you observe immediately after adding the ink drop? Now the question arises, what do you observe? आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हो जब आप इंक ड्रॉप उसमें ऐड करते हो? And what do you observe immediately after adding a drop of honey? And in case of honey, what do you observe? Now the next question is, how many hours or days does it take for the color of ink to spread easily throughout the water? So आपको बताना है कितने घंटे या कितने दिन लगते हैं कलर ऑफ इंक को स्प्रेड होने में वाटर के अंदर. So we will answer it. What do you observe immediately after adding ink drop? When you add ink drop into water, what do you observe? You have to tell it. So when we add ink started mixing with water immediately after adding. So which is visible in the form of many thread-like structure. Mixing with water immediately. Thread-like structure. So we observe that ink started mixing with water. Ink आपका water के साथ mix होने लगता है immediately after adding, which is visible आपको visible होगा in the form of thread-like structures के. And now in case of honey slowly directed towards the bottom of water. Honey settles down at the bottom of water because of its high density. So next answer is honey is directed towards the bottom of beaker because of its high density. High density settle at the bottom of the beaker. So next question, how many hours or days does it take for the color of ink to spread? It takes about 1 hour to spread color of ink throughout the water. takes 1 hour to spread color of ink throughout the water. Now from activity 1.4 we observe this. Ink started mixing with water immediately after adding, which is visible in the form of thread-like structure, and honey settle at the bottom of beaker because of its high density. Now ink takes 1 hour to spread throughout the water. So this activity also states that particles of matter are continuously moving. By this activity we can say that particles of matter are continuously moving. Moving continuously. So we discussed two activities which shows that particles of matter are moving continuously. Now we will discuss activity 1.5, which also shows that particles of matter are moving continuously. Now the next activity is activity 1.5. In activity 1.5 it is given that take a copper sulfate crystal or potassium permanganate crystal into a glass of hot water, another containing cold water. So take a beaker, two beaker, one contain hot water and other beaker contain cold water. Now we will add crystal of copper sulfate और पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट. कोई भी एक आपको कॉपर सल्फेट और पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल ऐड करना है इन बोथ बीकर. Now what do you observe just about the solid crystal in the glass? सॉलिड क्रिस्टल अगर आपके ग्लास में है तो व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? सो वी ऑब्जर्व दैट सॉलिड क्रिस्टल स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग विद वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. सॉलिड क्रिस्टल व्हेन वी ऐड शुगर इनटू वाटर देन दे स्टार्ट डिसॉल्विंग. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी ऐड कॉपर सल्फेट इनटू वाटर देन दे आल्सो स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग इन द वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. वी विल सी थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर व्हेन कॉपर सल्फेट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. Solid crystals start mixing in the water in the form of thread-like structure. And next question is that what happens as the time passes? So as the time passes, crystal getting dissolved in water in both hot and cold. When you add copper sulfate in cold water, it start dissolving in water. When you add copper sulfate in hot water, it start dissolving in hot water. But it takes more time. It takes more time to get crystal dissolved in cold water as compared to hot water. Hot water में temperature आपका है, it means copper sulfate takes less time to dissolve, but in cold water copper sulfate takes more time to dissolve. So as time passes, in short we can say that I am giving you another example that when we add sugar in boiled water, then sugar start dissolving fast, and when we add sugar in cold water, so it takes more time to dissolve. Similarly, in case of copper sulfate, it takes less time in hot water, it takes more time in cold water. Hot and cold water. In both cases, crystal getting dissolved, but in hot water copper sulfate takes less time, and in cold water copper sulfate takes more time. This is the difference between these two. To get crystal dissolved in cold water as compared to hot water. Now the next question is that, does the rate of mixing change with temperature? Why and how? Yes, particles of matter are continuously moving, that is, they possess kinetic energy. So as the temperature rises, particles move faster due to increase in temperature. Okay, so increase in temperature, then the kinetic energy of particles also increases. That's why particles are moving continuously, and we can also say that particles of matter are moving faster in case of hot water, when we increase temperature. So in short we can say that when we increase temperature, particles of matter are moving faster in comparison to decrease in temperature. As we know that particles of matter are moving continuously, that is, they possess kinetic energy. But if we increase temperature, then the particles of matter move faster so increase in temperature, kinetic energy of particles also increases. So thank you class. We will discuss next topic in our next class. Thank you everyone.